Hi friends, I'm Likhitha H. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Code to Create. In today's video, you're going to see how to make a 3D design of Chandrayan Mark III rocket. So this is how it's going to look like, and here are the parts. That's core stage, the solid rocket boosters, that are the boosters of the rocket to move up, and then you have the cryogenic upper stage, and you have payload to LEO and payload to GTO. One is of 4000 kgs and other is of 8000 kgs. We are placing a cone, and then you have a cylinder. You need a cylinder and then another cone for the boosters. So let's do the boosters now. First you need a cone. Let's get 2 cones. Okay, no need of 2. I'll tell you why. Let's get a cone up here. That would be perfect over here. Yes. And then let's lift it upward. You can see here you have it lifted up. When it stands like this, it'll have to be lifted up because the cone over here you can see of the rocket should be touched to the lower ground. That's the design like this. So first we have to change the color of it. So let me do that. Yes. First we have to change the color of it. So let me do that, and I'm gonna change it let's change it to orange. That is over here, like a red kind. So let me change it to orange. And then we need a cylinder, so let me get cylinder. It's here. Let's place it up here. It's going to be in this color. And then the sides, let's set it to 64. Let's move it to the top part. And then get it up here and get it down like this. Yes. And let's change its color here. Oh, okay, let's change its color to another color. Change it to this color. Yes, this is perfect. We have to check it from all the sides. So let's check it from top if it's fixed. No, it's not. So let's get it right on top. And then from back it have to come down. So let's get it down. A bit more down, let's do it. Left. Front. Yes, it's perfect now. And then let's check what we have. A cylinder. So let's get a cylinder. Yes, we got a cylinder, but we have to change its height. So let's do that to 40. Yes, it's perfect. Perfect. Yeah. And then let's check what we have. We have the cones. So let's get the cones. Cone right over here. Let's place it right here. Let's get it up and let's move it up here. Yes, okay. Almost like that, but then how does it look over here? It's looking like like a barred one. So instead of a cone, let's get a paraboloid. That will help it to make like the turn thing that we need. So let me get a paraboloid instead of that. And then get it up here. Let's move it to all the sides and check if it's fine, if it's fixed properly. Top side, let's move it this side. Right, okay, back, okay, left, okay. And then front is also fine. So let's do the same thing. So rather than doing it, and we have to do one thing, that's change its, the tiltness, the size, you can see. We have to change it, we have to rotate it up. So let me do that up. Let's rotate it to like 20 degrees. That would be perfect. 20 degrees. Oh, that's more. That's more. So let's do one thing. Let's do -20. -20. Yes, it's fitting properly. That's a bit more, so let's do it to 5 and check. Yes, it's perfect. So let's get it fixed properly. Fix it up. Yes, this side fine. This side is fine. This side is fine. Yes, it's fine from all the sides, but one problem that's there is just doing this. This is perfect. Yes, I guess it's fine from all the sides. Yes, it's fine from all the sides. Now what we're gonna do is copy the same thing again. Copy it up and get it up here. And what you have to do is tilt it to this side. Yes, it's perfect. And now what we have to do is, okay, we have to get both of them this side. Let's do that. So sorry. What's the way we can move it up? Yes, let's move it to the center. Yes. Now what we have to do is we have to do the middle, the rocket, Now what we have to do is we have to do the main part that's over here. So let's begin with the bottom part. First of all, we have to put a cone. So let me add a cone for that. Let me get a cone. Where's a cone? Where's a cone? Yes, it's right here. Let's get it here. Yes. And no, let's do one thing. Let's get it up here and then add the total thing. And then what we have is a cylinder. You can say this is a cylinder. And then what we have is a cylinder. So let's get a cylinder. Yes, that's going to be into this. And let's set its sides to 64. First lift it and then set it up like this much. Let's do the same from all the sides. From top it is almost fine. Yes, it's perfect. Yes, yeah. And now we have to increase its size to 40. So let's do that. 40. Yes. Get it a bit down. Yes. And after the cylinder, what we have is another cylinder. That's the black part. So let's get that. Another. Sorry. We need another cylinder right here. Yes. And oh, sorry. And the size of it, let's set it to 64 and get it up here and fix it here. Let's see from the top. Get it up. Sorry. Yes. Let's fix it up from here. Front and top. Now let's check. Let's fix it up. And let's get it down. From the back, it should move over this side. Left is perfect. Front. Yes. It's perfect. Only the thing we have to do is we have to change its color. So let me change it to black. Yes. You have to move it a bit more this side. Yes, it's perfect now. And after that, what we have is hmm, and after that, what we have is a cone that's needed. So let me get a cone and show it to you guys. Get a cone and then move it to the top. Okay. First of all, we have to change its degrees. The rotation thing, we have to set it to 180. So let's set it to 180 and move this up, this side up here, and then get it down, back here. Let's check it from all the sides. It will look perfect then. Yes. And now get the cone here. Yes. Top is fine. The right side part is fine. The back part is almost fine. Yeah, fine. The left one is fine. The front part is fine. Let's do one thing. Get it a bit more down, 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 down. Yes, this would be perfect. And then what we need is another cylinder. So let's get a cylinder. This part we are in right now. This is a cylinder, and then we need a paraboloid. So let me get a cylinder in front of it. And it's size to 64. And get it up here. And fix it up here. Yeah, let's move to the top. I mean to say the top with right. Yes, let's fix it. Yes, move it to the top. Not that perfect, but yeah, it's fine now. And move it from the back. It's good, and from left it's good. No, we have to change it to this side. Get it more this side. Yeah, from left it's perfect. From front it is, we have to get it a bit down. Yes, it's perfect. Let's check its color. Yes, it's kind of white color. So let's change it up. Yes, this color would be perfect. And then we need a paraboloid at the top. So let me get a paraboloid here. Let me get it up. And then, yes, let's get it to the top. Oh, okay. Yes, get it to the top. A bit more side. Yes, and then right. Yes, and from left front part we have to get it down. That one was there too. Yes. And its color, yes, it's fine. So this is the rocket that we have created. Oops. Yes. And the only thing we have to do now is copy the whole thing. Sorry. Let me decrease the size of it. Yes, now it looks perfect. Let me copy this and copy this whole thing. I'm so sorry. Copy it up and then Z. It's still copied. Let's move to the top part, and from here it's gonna be little. Let's move here and then yes, and now let me come to the front part, copy this up, move to the top and get it right here. Yes, but there's one change that is needed, that is, let's copy this and let's copy this and then get the whole thing closer, and the same this side, copy it, get the whole, let's only copy this much, only this much, this much, and let's go with the whole thing closer again. Yes, it's perfect. And then yes, let's move to the front part. No, let me show you. So yeah, this is our 3D Chandrayan model. It's from the top. You can press Control and then change its side. It's from back. And it's from left side. This is from front. This is from right side. Yeah, now we know how to make a 3D Chandrayan Mark III rocket. That's great. Thank you friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.